Greetings from Healthcare Skills Foundation. The foundation has been founded in 2020 with a group of doctors, and we aim to primarily focus on skill enhancement of healthcare workers. Primarily, we are focusing on education, learning, skill-based learning. So with that idea, we are continuing with our learning resources and video creation, and the entire focus is on basic learning of skills to impart and deliver healthcare delivery in a better format and a better understanding of the skills which are related to healthcare practices.